How to create a newsletter with Canva. In this tutorial, we're going to see how to easily create a newsletter with Canva. First thing you can do is open up your web browser and simply go to canva.com. And once you have done that, you can just go ahead and search for a newsletter template. So go to the search bar and search for newsletter and hit enter. You can find different newsletters templates right here. So let's say if I want to go ahead and continue on with this template right here, I can click on it and go to customize template. That's going to create a separate design for you. There are different things that you can do. You can adjust the size of the text here, change the date, change the pictures, the text, everything. So all you have to do is, what you can do is I can delete this picture here and upload my own. So I have a few pictures on my uploads. I can just drag it. And as you can see, I've changed the picture easily. You can do the same thing here as well as here. So that's how you basically create your own newsletter in Canva. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.